Welcome. Today we're looking at one of the most useful features in Discord: replying to messages on mobile. Whether you're chatting with friends, managing your server, or keeping up with group discussions, knowing how to reply neatly keeps your conversations clear and organized. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside, head over to your messages by tapping the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you straight to your list of private conversations and server chats. Now, choose the person or group chat you want to reply in. Tap on their name to open the conversation. You'll see all your recent messages displayed here. Next, find the specific message you want to reply to. Maybe it's something someone asked or a comment you want to respond to directly. Take a moment to locate that message in the chat. Once you've found it, press and hold long press on that message. After a second, a small menu will pop up with different options like copy, edit, delete, and yes, reply. Tap on Reply Message from this menu. Now you'll notice the original message appear just above your typing area. This clearly shows which message you're replying to. Type your response as you normally would. Once you're happy with your reply, hit send. Your message will appear directly beneath the original one, linked by a reply line. This makes it easy for everyone in the chat to follow the conversation and know exactly what your response refers to.